Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update from Z-JAK Technologies. Passwords. We all hate them. They're hard to remember and easy for cybercriminals to steal. That's why Microsoft's making Passkeys easier to use in Windows 11. What's a passkey? It's a safer way to log in. No password to type. Instead, you unlock with your face, fingerprint, or a PIN. Behind the scenes, it's like a lock and key, but the key never leaves your device. There's nothing for hackers to steal. And now Windows works better with password managers to keep everything in sync. Need help making security easy? Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.